Hey everyone, AJ here from Whole Latte Love, introducing the quick Mill Pippa single boiler espresso machine. There's a lot to love about this premium entry-level machine, and in this video we'll go over some of the features as well as my personal likes and dislikes so you can decide if the Pippa is the right machine for you. First off, some specs. This is a single boiler dual-use machine, meaning it can both brew espresso or steam milk, but not at the same time. It features a 60-ounce removable water reservoir, 1,000 watt heating element, and a 15.2 ounce brass boiler. This boiler is the largest of the single boiler non-PID machines that we sell, beating out the Gaggia Classic Pro, Rancilio Silvia, Bedzera Hobby, and ECM Casa 5. This means more stable brew temperatures, better steaming performance, and a greater ability to produce multiple back-to-back drinks at the trade-off of slightly longer heat-up times. The Pippa stands at roughly 9.7 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 14.5 inches tall. The articulating commercial-style steam wand features cool touch technology and a 2-hole steam tip and delivers a ton of power. On the face of the machine is a brew pressure gauge, and externally accessible through a hole next to the steam wand is an adjustment screw for the overpressure valve, or OPV, allowing you to change brew pressure if you want to. The Pippa comes in 2 varieties, polished stainless steel and my personal favorite, matte black. Both versions feature a wooden steam knob and matching portafilter handle, Whole Latte Love exclusive touches that we worked with QuickMill to design and implement. The machine face has 3 power indicator lights, one for the machine, one for the heating element, and one for the pump. Next to that are 4 switches. A unique 3-position power switch helps prevent accidental damage to your machine. Flipping it left allows you to run the pump and fill the boiler without the heating element on, while moving it right provides power for normal operation. Beneath that are switches for brewing, dispensing hot water, and steaming. All QuickMill machines come with the Italcheck certification, showing that their machines are made and assembled in Italy, with quality Italian parts and materials. I've been using this machine for a couple weeks, and here are my personal takeaways. Overall, there's a lot to love about both its design and functionality. I really like the placement of the water reservoir, which is located on the side of the machine. Not only is it clear so you can monitor your water level, but you can easily remove it without having to open up any covers or remove any parts. I could quickly pull it out enough to pour water in from a pitcher, or take it all the way out and bring it to the sink for filling. I really like the huge cup warming tray up top, and the stylish railings add a nice touch. On the topic of style, I personally love the look of the machine, from the layout of the controls down to the subtle touches like cutout logos next to the switches. It's details like these that add a level of class to this machine and separate it from some of the cheaper models that might have just used decals here instead. That level of detail carries through to the rest of the machine, which demonstrates a build quality on par with some higher level prosumer machines. Overall, I really like the machine, but if I had to pick out some negatives, the one drawback of the side-loading water reservoir is that you can't easily set up your grinder right next to the machine on the right side, unless you're alright with moving it whenever you need to refill the tank. Instead, you'll need to either space them out, or just put the grinder on the left side instead. Additionally, I noticed that the indicator lights may be a little dim if you have your machine in a bright kitchen with direct sunlight. Lastly, while the steam power is excellent, I found that sometimes it can be too much steam right out of the gate for a smaller volume of milk. This can be controlled by not opening your steam valve all the way, starting the steaming before the machine is up to full temperature, or using a larger volume of milk in a bigger pitcher. As with any single boiler machine, remember to cool down and refill the boiler after steaming, using the technique seen in this video. Most of what I would consider cons are super nitpicky and easily remedied, and on the whole, I'm really excited about this machine. The design, features, and most importantly, the quality of drinks it can produce set the Pippa up as a good choice for anybody looking to jump into the world of home espresso or upgrade from the plasticky, appliance-grade equipment they're currently using. If you have any questions about the QuickMill Pippa, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. Until next time, I'm AJ, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and come back to the channel for more of the best on everything coffee, brought to you by Whole Latte Love.